When I first started working out, I was doing it all wrong. I was sore for days, I felt exhausted every single day after my workout. I really want to share my 3 mistakes I was constantly committing since I started working out 4 years ago, so you can avoid them starting now. First one, number one, nobody actually teaches you to do this, only maybe at high school or at school and your PE lessons, but you won't see any influencer out there, none at all, talking about the importance of stretching. Believe me, I spent my first 2.5 years without stretching after my workouts. And yeah, I was building some muscle, but I could have built much more faster. And then one day, I went to a physiotherapist, a friend of mine. Actually, it was a free session for me. And he told me, what's going wrong here? Your muscles are so sore. Your muscles are not developing as they have to do. And since that moment, it changed my whole life. You need to stretch. Look at this. If you don't have time to stretch, you shouldn't go to the gym. Simple as this. Because the muscles will grow very asymmetrically. Your muscles are not gonna be symmetrical enough. And if you want the perfect physique and the most symmetrical shape possible, it has the same importance, or I would say even more. It's more important to stretch after your workout than the actual workout itself. So if you don't have time to work out, you should do a much shorter workout and save time. Be sure you save time to stretch those muscles properly. There's so many tutorials on YouTube to know how to do it correctly. And it's very easy. You just have to take around 10 to 15 minutes every day after you work out. You put a video on the YouTube in the gym, you just do it. Believe me, this will mark a huge difference. And this is a mistake I've done for 2.5 years that halted all my progress. And I just started doing it 1 year ago and I saw a massive difference. So don't be like me. Please start stretching out now. The next time you go to the gym, it's crucial. One of the reasons behind it is that you will actually lift more weight. Why? Because you have more full range of motion, so you can exercise correctly, you can use your muscles the way they're designed to be used. So it's a non-brainer. Number 2, the importance of good sleep. Okay, so listen, when you work out, you lift weights in the gym, you're actually tearing your muscles fibers apart. The gym is of course the stimulus, but sleep is the actual repair process, and when the muscle growth comes to action. This is pure science. If you're not getting up to 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, you're literally going to the gym for nothing. You're wasting your time in the gym. Simple as that. You're breaking down your body and not giving it a chance for it to repair as it should. Treat your bedtime with the same respect you should treat your gym time and of course your stretching time. Both factors are crucial. The same importance of lifting weights. I don't care if you lift 50% more from 1 month to another if you're not sleeping correctly. If you're not stretching, long-term wise, you're not gonna go anywhere. Simple as that. And finally, number 3, the one that completely changed my life. This is a total game changer. You would it seems a bit stupid or logical, but it just builds a routine, a consistency that no one else can tear you apart in life. It's as simple as this. You need to show up every single day. So first choose a routine. I don't care if it's 3 times a week, I don't care if it's 5 or is it 4, but if you choose to get to a routine, you have to show up every single day. I don't care if someday you're exhausted or someday you don't feel to do it. Just show up 15 minutes. I'm not telling you to be an hour there. Maybe someday you're very exhausted or very busy. I know, but you have to do at least 15 minutes of workout every single day you commit to. Especially when you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, the actual workout doesn't matter. If I'm building the foundation of the person you are, and that consistency and that routine you follow, that you trust yourself, that you commit with yourself, that long term will make your muscles be much bigger because you're committing to yourself, and you're building discipline. And disciplining long term for every single aspect in life is the most important thing out there, period. I want to hear from you guys. Which is the hardest struggle you're dealing with right now in the gym? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this helpful and you liked the content of this video, please give a like, comment anything below you might like or you might want to know. I've been through so many mistakes during my first 3 years that I'm pretty experienced to talk about this. And that's it. Keep it up, keep it going, keep showing up to the gym. Have a wonderful